Hi everyone, bonjour à tous. This is Katie from Sudbury East for Craft Corner. Today I decided we're going to do a very simple craft with materials you can find around your home. And for the month of March, I figured we'd be doing a 3D shamrock or a 3D clover. It's a very easy craft. You don't need very many materials. All you require is some green construction paper, 3 pieces, some white paper. The only paper I had in the house had some holes in it, but still works. Some glue. Glue stick is preferred, but all I had in my home was white glue, a pencil, and some scissors. So let's get started. So first off, we're going to start with our construction paper. In order to get our leaves, we're going to have to make a heart shape, and they all have to be the same. So what I suggest is you take your stack of papers, all 3, and you fold it evenly in half, just like so. And then you're gonna fold it one more time, just like so, till you get a square. And then what you're gonna do is take your pencil and we're gonna trace half a heart. So we are gonna trace, as long as my hand's not in the way, we are gonna trace half a heart the best you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. All that matters is that all pieces are similar. And then we're gonna take our scissors and we're going to cut out our heart. It's a little tricky with 3 pieces to cut, so I suggest an adult help the child, or if the child's capable, go for it. So just like this, I have my hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should have 6 hearts for your leaves. And then I'm going to take only one of my sheets, and to make the stem of my clover or shamrock, all I'm going to do is kind of make like a little tree trunk. So just a little larger at the bottom, and it goes narrow, and once again on the other side. And then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut my stem out. Right, there we go. Throw that in my pile. Got our stem. Now we can start gluing. So you're going to take your white piece of paper. You can put it any way you'd like. There's no right or wrong way. You can have it upright, sideways. I'm going to do mine sideways just because of my holes. So first I'm going to start by gluing my stem. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue around the edges. Not too much, because white glue can be messy. I think my stem might be too long, but that's okay. This is why we're trial and error. So I'm going to grab my other piece of paper, and we're going to do it upright, I think, is a good idea. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our leaves, and you're going to glue the bottom part down and leave this one up. So around the edges you're going to glue, and you're going to stick one right beside the stem, heart shape down. And then what you're going to do is, before you add glue, make sure to check you have it the right way. So this part's going to be up, and you're going to have the bottom part glued right beside the other heart. So kind of like putting 2 halves together to make a whole. So do it like this. Depending how you want your shamrock to look, you can either glue it together, or to give it more of a 3D effect, leave them separate. I'm going to be leaving mine separate. And then, once again, on the outer side, glue it, and then make sure that it's the flat piece down that you're gluing, unless you want to glue all of it together. That is your choice. So once again, together. So there we go, side by side. Okay, and then you are going to put each half side by side. Oh, hopefully you can see this. just side by side. So you're going to glue the one half down and leave the other one unglued or glued. That is your choice once again. So just upright. Here's one half that we're going to put. And then glue the other half. There we go. Oopsies. Oh, and I did it. See, mistakes happen. I kind of put glue on the side that we wanted to have down, but thank God I have extra hearts aside. Always be prepared because you never know when mistakes happen. So then I'm going to put this side like this, glue it down, and here we have it. Like I said, our 3D shamrock, or 3-leaf clover in this case, not 4, depending on how you count. I hope you enjoyed this craft. It wasn't much, it was something simple with the materials you find within your home, but I figured for March it would be cute. I hope everyone enjoyed this craft. You have a great day, and don't forget to leave me a comment below if you tried this and if you had some little challenges or errors like me. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!